the parents of our great captain of the Fijian Drua. Mr. and Mrs. Derenalagi. Just a little question and a little message to Meli and the boys. It's different circumstances now. I know you two watch his games, almost every international game that he goes to. What makes it different now that they're in the quarterfinals?
Set them up by telling them to enjoy their rugby. So coming to this stage is another stage which is much. They were targeting to get into the quarters. They're in the quarters now, so it's a big boost for rugby.
How do you feel as parents? Your son leading this first ever Super Rugby team to a quarterfinals.
We are very proud of the boys. Since this is the second year and getting into the quarterfinals, big plus for the boys.
For the people of Fiji and the Vanua, it's a great emotional trip for them, especially the fans. It means a lot to the fans that your son has been leading this team for the whole season. As a mother, how do you feel?
Well, for me, I'm very proud of him and also proud of the boys for being a team player and also as a whole as a team. So proud of all the boys for their hard work and being together for the 2 years for the second year now.
What's your message, both of you, to Meli and the boys as they watch this tonight?
We want to wish them all the best for tomorrow's game or today's game, and hopefully that they'll win.
Untuk Filipina tu kita mula sarabo na matsini lawan ni Natian Bonovic ni nalingwara ni Nitali. Lindon si nalingwara sarabo bina. Orang bisa kaya apa saja ya Naka,
Nawalimu.